I'm Samhita from Center for Extension Activities, Yale University. So, on the eve of Republic Day, we team thought of conducting something from which everyone can learn something. Wait. What is Republic Day? We asked the same question to some random people in various places. Let's check it out. Why 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day?
Yeah, because on that day Constitution came into the force.
The constitution came into force on that day.
Because the constitution came into force on that day.
ఆడుకోవడానికి నాకు తెలియదు డాన్స్ చేయడానికి తెలియదు
ఏముంది మార్నింగ్ స్కూల్కి వెళ్తాము పరేడ్ చేస్తాము ఫ్లాగ్ చేస్తారు ఫ్లాగ్ తర్వాత డాన్స్ స్పీచ్లు దాని తర్వాత చాక్లెట్స్ ఇస్తారు స్వీట్స్ ఇస్తారు ఇంటికి వచ్చి ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయడం అవన్నీ
అమ్మాయిలు టీచర్లు కొత్త డ్రెస్ వేసుకుంటారు కాబట్టి స్కూల్లో రన్నింగ్ రేస్కి మెడల్ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి హాలిడేస్ చాక్లెట్స్ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి డాన్స్ సాంగ్స్ గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి ఫ్లాగ్ ఎగేస్తాం కాబట్టి జై హింద్ చాక్లెట్ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి స్కూల్లో జరుపుకుంటాం
కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి జరుపుకుంటాం.
కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి జరుపుకుంటాం తెలీదు కానీ మా స్కూల్లో అలా సెలబ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మేము చేసుకుంటాం. కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆన్ 26 జనవరి బై బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్. బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ తెచ్చింది కాబట్టి జరుపుకుంటాం.
కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి
రాజ్యాంగం వచ్చింది కాబట్టి జరుపుకుంటాం.
Because constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950.
Constitution has been formed on that day in 1950.
Republic Day is a national day which is celebrated to honor the constitution that came into effect on 26 Jan 1950. And do you know a thing? The constitution was legally enforced by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949.
Oh, nice.
But in 1930 and January 26, it was declared as Pune Swaraj. So this date was chosen as Republic Day.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Constitution this day of Republic Day.
Because the Constitution of India came into force on this day, 26 Jan 1950. So that's the reason we are celebrating Republic Day.
Holiday.
అందరినీ కూర్చోబెట్టి చాక్లెట్స్ బిస్కెట్ ఇస్తారు.
ఆ రోజు డాన్స్ చేస్తారు. ఫ్లాగ్ ఎగరేస్తారు ఆ రోజు స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ వైట్ డ్రెస్ వేసుకొని వస్తారు. ఆ రోజు నేను స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాను ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని టీవీ చూస్తాను.
Do you know how many fundamental rights are there?
Yeah, there are 6 main fundamental rights.
Okay, can you tell some of them?
Right to freedom, right to equality, right to constitutional remedies.
Wish you a happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January of every year. On this day, the Constitution came into force in 1950. On this day, our India became secular and a democratic country. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft our Constitution of India. The draftman of Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar.
The Constitution is supreme law of India. Happy Republic Day to you all. Constitution written by B.R. Ambedkar.
Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. Republic Day is a national festival. The Constitution came into force into 1950. The Constitution is the main supreme law of India. The people, back to 100 years, the people of India under the British rule.
How many fundamental rights are there?
I think it's 7 or 8.
Okay. Do you know any of the fundamental rights?
Right to water, right to education, right to freedom, right to information.
Do you know anything about right to information?
Yeah, it's a fundamental right acted in the 2002, I think.
Okay, can you explain about it?
Yeah, it's a fundamental right. It tells about our information, like about government, about taxes. Some I don't know don't much, but it's a good thing for our government.
Okay, thank you.
Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. This historical act formally transitioned on India to become an independent republic, and it is celebrated on January 26th.
The Constitution of India is a supreme law in India. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guides the people of a nation and to present the principles of a constitution. The preamble is also referred as the preface, which highlights the entire constitution.
We, the people of India.
We, the people of India.
Having solemnly resolved.
Having solemnly resolved. To constitute India into a.
To constitute India into a.
To constitute India into a.
Sovereign socialist.
Secular. Democratic. Republic.
And to secure all its citizens.
Secure all the citizens.
Justice social.
Justice social.
Economic and political. Economical, political. Liberty of thought. Express and belief.
Faith and worship.
Faith and worship.
Faith and worship.
Equality of status. Equality of status. End of opportunity.
End of opportunities.
End of opportunity.
And to promote among them all.
And to promote among them all fraternity.
Fraternity. Assuring the dignity of the individual.
Assuring the dignity of the individual.
And the unity.
And the unity.
And integrity of the nation.
And integrity of the nation.
Our India!